Hi, my name is Yaku, and I just want to do a quick review for the, not a review, sorry, unboxing for the One Funnel Away challenge. I just got my box today, as you can see here. Bam, bam, bam. Haven't opened it yet. I thought I'd do it here live. Open it live on camera, yeah. Anyway, just before I open it, I just want to tell you quickly what I only wanted the book. I only wanted the book with all the 30-day plans of the super successful affiliates, and I sent ClickFunnels a message and I asked them, can I only buy the book? And they said no. They said no. You have to join the One Funnel Away challenge. And the reason I only wanted the book was because I've built a few $10 funnels. I think one of them made like $100. So I'm right up there when it comes to funnel building. So I reckon all I just need the book. I don't need much else. But I'm through day 7 now, and yeah, I'm really happy that I got the whole shebang, because it's been really good webinars in the first week to get you to believe that you can do it. It's really awesome, and yeah, I like it. I like the way when Steven says, well, look out for this and this, and you can see how the whole perfect webinar kind of clicks into place and how everything works. But anyway, yeah, that's how I got to join the One Funnel Away challenge. And without further ado, let's open this puppy. Let me just see, where's the front? Oh, you have to cut this. Let's cut this open. Okay, cool. Here we go. So let's see what's inside. What's inside? What? Oh my God, this thing's empty. There's nothing in here. It's like literally it looks like a hamster bed. I knew this ClickFunnels thing was a scam. Oh my God. No, just kidding. To get out, this is what you get in the box. Here, first thing. Bam, this is cool. Tells you all about the affiliate program where you can join. You can make $100 every time you refer someone to the affiliate program. I'll leave a link down below so you can check that out. Then you get this cool MP3 player. There's an actual MP3 player in here. Sweet. Okay, so you've got the MP3 player. It's got the recordings of the very first One Funnel Away challenge. Steven and Russell stuff's on here, so I'll definitely listen to this on the treadmill. Then you get this cool little workbook, which I'm really happy about, because this whole first week I've been saving it and printing it. And see here, this is like a cool workbook. You get like all the stuff, lots of space to take notes. This is awesome. I really like this. And then here, pum. This is why I really wanted to get the program. And see, look how this baby is wrapped. This is an I almost feel sad to open this thing. This is like a proper hardcover book. Get out there. And you get this. I don't know what this is, but it's cool. Thank you, Russell. And yeah, here's the book. Hardcover. Not some flimsy piece of book. The real deal. Can't wait to read this. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Like you can see, it's awesome. This whole box was I think $30 with shipping. They sent it with UPS. Came super quick. And yeah, I must say, ClickFunnels, I am very, very, very impressed with this book. I bought .com Secrets and Expert Secrets earlier. Amazing books, but this hardcover baby is a one step up. So thank you very much for that. And I'm not sure, this kind of freaks me out. Is that Russell? Okay, thanks guys. That's unboxing of the One Funnel Away challenge. And yeah, join the challenge. It's awesome. The link's down below. Cheers. See you. Bye.